How to enable or disable keyboard double tap spacebar to add period on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. Next, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and tap on More typing options. From here, tap on double tap spacebar to add period. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And then finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.